Welcome to this charming home located at 10 Pines Circle, LN, Ocala, FL 34,472, priced at just $217,000. This cozy 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is situated on a spacious corner lot in SE Ocala. As you enter, you'll immediately notice the vaulted ceilings that create an open and airy feel. The living room and kitchen are tiled throughout, ensuring easy maintenance and durability. The large kitchen is perfect for unwinding or entertaining guests, offering plenty of space and functionality. The split bedroom plan provides privacy and convenience, with the primary bedroom located on the first floor. Each of the 3 bedrooms is spacious and well-lit, offering a comfortable retreat for every family member. The primary bedroom measures approximately 10 to 10 feet, providing ample space for a queen-size bed and additional furniture. The second and third bedrooms are also generously sized, each measuring about 10 to 10 feet. The 2 full bathrooms are well appointed, featuring modern fixtures and plenty of storage space. The living room, measuring 15 to 15 feet, is perfect for family gatherings and cozy nights in. The kitchen, located on the first floor, is well designed and functional, measuring approximately 9 to 6 feet. Step outside to the large corner lot, measuring approximately 0.25 acres, with dimensions of 90 by 123 feet. The fenced backyard offers privacy and security, perfect for pets and children to play safely. The property includes a 2-car attached garage, providing ample space for parking and storage. Additional features include central air conditioning and heating, ceiling fans, and a convenient laundry area located in the garage. The location is ideal with easy access to shopping, restaurants, and other conveniences. This home is perfect for first-time buyers or those looking for a great investment opportunity. Don't miss out on this affordable and charming home in a prime location. Schedule your tour today. Thank you for watching this detailed review of 10 Pines Circle, LN, Ocala, FL 34,472. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more property reviews and